This is assignment 2 for e-business at the Hague University of Applied Sciences, done by Gergana Bogdanova and Mira Hills. Welcome to our website. My name is Gergana Bogdanova and I will walk you through the brand new website of MNG Holiday, which is an actual running website for the company. We used a premium account so we could pick the domain that we wanted. The theme we used was also customized so that every title of the website has the same color as the company logo to display consistency. The domain we used was the required domain by the company. Each page has a sidebar that includes a search button, a map, a Facebook page, address, phone number, and working hours. At the bottom there's also a footer that contains a translator attached to every page, which is for more convenience for our customers, which is international audience. The home page has another drop-down menu about explaining about the area and about the top destinations by the locals. There's also a lot of pictures included by every city and for the different destinations. The MNG Apartments page includes general information on where the locations of the apartments the company owns is. There's also a direct link at the bottom for the 1 and 2 bedroom apartments and the 3 bedroom apartments, and a map that has directions, which was done through Google. The 1 and 2 bedroom apartment page includes a detailed information about the apartments, which includes pictures, a lot of pictures. You can also see the amenities, hotel policies, and you can also make a booking at the bottom. And it's the same for the 3 bedroom apartments. Let's move on. The excursions page includes a detailed information about the trips we offer, including the days of departure, the times, what exactly is included in the program of the day, a lot of pictures, and there's also a call to action, book now, and also contact, which brings you to the contact page. We are also planning to connect a Google Calendar that will display the actual prices. The airport transfer page also includes information about the cars that we use for the transport, and every page has a table which includes a clear pricing for how many people and from where to where. And the rent-a-car has the general information, and for every group that we offer there's pictures and also the price and also a call to action. Each page has a contact form linked to direct customers, and we would like to get people in touch. There's a contact page as well. We hope that you like what we've done so far in such a short period of time, and thank you for watching.